You want to talk about mosquitoes.
Well, yeah. People think that, as we come to the close of summer, then mosquitoes are going away. I mean, we just had this rain today, and I have news for everybody. The mosquitoes are going to be breeding like crazy now that there's going to be standing water everywhere. So I'm giving $75 off of any new Healthy Home Maintenance Program bundles with mosquito services if you mention this show. And if you mention, Home Sweet Home Chicago on WGN Radio. I got people in the office till 2 today, so we can give you a free quote. But mosquitoes aren't stopping anytime soon. They like 4 things: coolness, shade, moisture, and being out of the wind. Those combinations make for a perfect environment for mosquito breeding. And we have services that are kid-friendly, pollinator-friendly, pet-friendly. And it makes a huge difference if you want to enjoy your yard the rest of the summer. Get on our schedule now.
And your technicians are very friendly as well.
Oh, they're amazing.
Phone number.
1-800-GOT-PESTS or rosepestcontrol.com for a free quote.